Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've never been here before, I'm Sienna and this is Chewy. And if you want to join the family, press the subscribe button. Today we're going to be filming a vlog. Me and Chewy are going out by ourselves and we're going to see how it goes.
Yeah. How's Paulina? There's a dog in training. We want something. Oh, there's a nice baby. Hi, baby. I think the party's at the bar.
Leave it? Good job. Let's see. Let's get it. Good job. I didn't even notice. Good job. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Okay, good job. Okay. Let's walk. Come. Yep. Come on, dude. This way, turn. Turn. Yo. Good job. You're doing so good. I gotta get your boots, but you need your boots to drop. Come this way. Back up. Turn. Let's go. I can do that. Alright, cover. Cover. Yeah. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Come back. Come back. Success. You're in the way, come. Now I think we're gonna go to Michael's because I really want to get fabric for bandanas. So I came out of my house. I left my house to get a harness. And I swear to God, I've got everything but a harness. Alright guys, so my phone died, but I did get a harness. This is the best one I could find. I'm kind of disappointed, but it's okay, it should work.